What are functions in programming?
Functions are named blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. By grouping related instructions together, functions make it easier to organize, use, and understand your programs. Using functions helps break down complex problems into smaller logical pieces, making programming more efficient and manageable, especially as projects grow.
Improved code organization.
Functions help you structure your code logically. Each function performs one well-defined task, which makes your overall code base clearer and less cluttered. Organizing code this way makes it easier for you and others to read, understand, and maintain your programs over time.
Maximum reusability.
By writing code in functions, you avoid repeating the same logic in multiple places. Instead, you can call the same function whenever you need that functionality, reducing duplication. This saves time, helps prevent errors, and allows you to update your code in one place instead of many.
Easier testing and debugging.
Functions let you test individual pieces of your program in isolation. If an error occurs, you can focus on a single function instead of searching through your entire codebase. This targeted approach makes finding and fixing bugs faster and more straightforward.
Simpler collaboration.
When working on a team, functions make it easier to divide up tasks. Each programmer can work on different functions independently, with clear boundaries and less risk of interfering with each other's code. This approach boosts productivity and helps teams build complex programs efficiently.
Easier maintenance and upgrades.
Well-structured functions make long-term code maintenance simpler. When you need to update or extend your program, you can modify specific functions without disturbing other parts of your code. This flexibility makes your software more robust and easier to adapt over time.